Dear students, today let us complete the previous topic, that was what are the features of planning. We already knew that planning, it is objective oriented. We focus on a particular type of objective. Second was that is primary function, other functions organizing, staffing, directing and controlling, they follow this planning. So it was the first point of step of every type of management. Third was that planning is pervasive. It means that planning is done at every level, whether that is top management, middle management or the lower management. Although the levels of planning, they are different. Top management has a different level of planning. It has different this type of planning, and the middle and the this lower level planning, it has different objectives. Now let us know that what is the fourth feature of planning. Planning is continuous. Dear students, you know that planning is not a one time function. Planning जो है ये एक मैनेजमेंट में लगातार चलता रहता है. It is a continuous process. Unless and until the goals are not achieved, it remains planning remains at every level, in every situation. There is not a specific, there is not, there is, it is not a temporary process. It is a continuous process. It remains always in every type of management. Whenever the need arises, we have to make a plan. We have to make different types of plans. We have to know the different environments. So what we have to do, what we want to convey, it is that planning is a continuous process. It is not one time process. We have to make the plans at every level. We have to execute the planning and these plans throughout the process. Fifth is planning is futuristic. इसका मतलब है कि प्लान जो है ये आने वाले ज़माने के लिए बनाया जाता है. इट इज़ नॉट रिलेटेड टू द पास्ट. Every plan is related to the future. It is future oriented. We forecast things. We forecast these objectives which are related to the future. So it is futuristic. It involves that we are preparing everything for our future. We have to forecast the things. We have to anticipate in advance that where we are going. So we can say that plan, it is futuristic. For that matter, every planner has to be very efficient. He has to be very accurate. He has to be um, he has to predict in a very efficient way, so that the plan can be successful. Always there are apprehensions of failure, but it must be near success. Near success. So forecasting, it is very much this important in every type of planning, but forecasting must be efficient, nearer to the accuracy, although it cannot be accurate 100%, but it must be near the accuracy, near the accuracy. So nearer it is to accuracy, the plan can be successful. So if it is far away, it is farther from the accuracy, that we can say that plan is not successful. एंड सिक्स्थ इज प्लानिंग इन्वॉल्व डिसीजन मेकिंग. प्लान में क्या होता है, उसमें डिसाइड करना पड़ता है. हर एक प्लानर को डिसाइड करना पड़ता है. उसके पास एक चॉइस होती है, ऑल्टरनेटिव्स होते हैं. सो ही हैज़ टू सिलेक्ट द बेस्ट ऑल्टरनेटिव अमॉन्ग ए लॉट. सो the chunk of alternatives that lies with every planner, he has to select the best one. That becomes the base, that becomes a token for his guarantee. So it is plan involves decision making. Decision what? Among different kinds of, among different alternatives, he has to select the best one. So at in that very time, he must, it depends upon the competency of the planner, that he must select the best one. And then seventh, it is planning is a mental exercise. मैंने पहले बताया आपको कि प्लान जो है, इट इज रिलेटेड टू द मेंटल एक्सरसाइज ऑफ एनीबडी. यानी ये जो प्लान जो है इट्स ए मेंटल एक्सरसाइज। ये पहले हर एक इंसान जो है अपने जहन में कोई प्लान बनाता है। क्या उसे देखना है व्हाट आई हैव टू डू, हाउ आई हैव टू डू, व्हेन आई हैव टू डू, बाय whom I have to do. When he makes the plan in his brain, then he writes it down on a paper. And the third step is he practices it actually. So the first step is it is mental exercise. It depends upon the intellectual ability of a person. It depends upon his mind, his imagination, his sound judgment that what I have to do. It is a thinking function. It is not a doing function. Because when a person thinks about a certain plan, then the action follows. The action he has to take, it follows later on. But first, he has to do a mental exercise. And for that mental exercise, he needs to be logical, systematic. He has to think about the things in advance. So he must be logical, he must be systematic, he must be near the accuracy. He must analyze the facts that what I have to do, what are the proper ways that I am going to perform this activity. So these are different things, but all of these things are related to the mental ability of a person. So it is a mental exercise. When he decides the future, he must be competent, he must be able, he must be experienced, he must have he must be intellectual in that very field, because it needs mental exercise. It is mental exercise, and this mental ability, it declares, it decides the future of every planner. So these are, last day we had discussed three features of planning. Today we discussed rest of the four. Is a planning is continuous process, planning is futuristic, planning involves decision making, and then planning, it is a mental exercise. So these are some of the features of every type of plan. I think you would have got it, and inshallah tomorrow we will know that what is the importance of planning, how it is important. Till then, thanks.